Maruza is a small South American country located between Chile and Argentina. Maruza has been governed by a military dictatorship for a long time. Surveillance, arrests, tortures, assassinations, and genocide. The people are dispossessed of their rights and freedom and are kept on a chain of fear. The one person to shine a ray of hope onto this long period of darkness is Pachamama, daughter of the first president of Maruza. The people started the democratic movement with her as a symbol of freedom. The movement expanded nationwide thanks to her warm personality. Tomorrow is the Maruzan Independence Day, and the way of the democratization is just reaching a climax. I have taken this flight to cover Pachamama, the leader of the democratic movement.
Hey Kato, maybe we should get the interview with Pachamama before we land. What do you think?
Maybe you're right. It'll be hard to interview her once we land. Miss Pachamama, sorry to disturb your rest, but tomorrow is Independence Day, and there is considerable conjecture that a revolution might break out. Your opinion, please?
A revolution? I don't think so. I just hope for a fair election.
How about...
Déjala sola.
Excuse me. I really would like to rest for a while.
Can I continue this interview at the airport then? My name is Kato. I'm a journalist from Japan.
Mr. Kato, I see. I'll try to remember.
Hey, look outside. The Andes look spectacular.
Your love of mountains really amazes me. It's almost an addiction if you ask me.
Voy a descansar un momento.
Entonces, te traeré una manta.